What you're seeing now, Chung, is one of the most ambitious projects hidden on Earth. Beneath this bolted cover lies the Kola Superdeep Borehole, the deepest hole ever dug by humans. It is 12 kilometers deep, and the hole is barely big enough to squeeze your head in. It took the Soviet Union 20 years to drill this ultra-deep well. Some unexpected scientific discoveries were unearthed in the process. Now many countries are trying to drill and find the treasures hidden below. Once successful, it will accelerate the process of human beings getting rid of fossil fuels. So what are these treasures? In fact, there is a natural nuclear fission reactor in the core of the Earth, with a temperature of 6,000 degrees Celsius. Only 0.1% of the heat can meet all the energy needs of mankind for 2 million years. However, it is not easy to obtain this heat. Currently, only some countries have it, such as Iceland. They have geothermal energy close to the surface, which is rare. So other countries can only try to use drilling to obtain geothermal energy, but the temperature rises by about 30 degrees for every kilometer down. And when the temperature reaches 374 degrees Celsius and the pressure reaches 22 MPa, the steam will become supercritical steam. This supercritical steam has some characteristics that can drive steam turbines efficiently. With current drilling technology, it is basically impossible to reach the depth where supercritical steam can be produced because the cost of drilling increases with depth. It costs about $6 million for about 3 kilometers, and it will increase to $27 million for a depth of 6 kilometers. At deep drilling, the high temperature will damage the drill bit, making it difficult to penetrate the rock. Replacing the drill bit requires pulling up all the drill rods. The deeper you go, the more time and cost it takes. To address this, an American company had a brilliant idea. If they could drill without touching the rock surface, the drill bits wouldn't get damaged. So they invented a machine that uses high-frequency electromagnetic waves to vaporize rock. The machine works by generating an electron beam in a vacuum, which is accelerated through a strong magnetic field. Here the electrons spiral around the magnetic field, reaching resonance and emitting a large amount of electromagnetic radiation. Its principle is similar to that of a laser, but instead of producing visible light, it emits high-frequency microwaves from a pipe. It first melts the rock, then vaporizes it, and extracts the vaporized rock through the pipe. The machine drills down at a rate of 1 meter per hour. At this speed, it would take at least 41 days and 1,000 megawatt-hours of electricity to drill a hole 1 kilometer deep. At a cost of $75 per megawatt, just for the electricity, it would cost $75,000. Now, the company has raised $91 million. They are preparing to prove that this technology is feasible. If they succeed, it could accelerate humanity's transition away from fossil fuels